All right, well, all day when we talk weather, we've been talking about how things are changing. You already mentioned an increase in the threat level and just moments ago, Ashley, getting more information.
I mean, literally probably about 60 seconds ago. This just came in, a severe thunderstorm watch draping much of lower Michigan, and that does include southeastern Michigan. This line is starting to cross the west side of the state, so that's where I want to start with Exact Track 4D, where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 12:45 for Osceola County, and that has the potential of producing hail up to about an inch. Now, if you look just a little bit farther south of that area, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for Newaygo, Michigan, and that's until 1:45. So once again, this is the cold front that's clashing with the warmer weather that we have here. Will continue to push eastward at about 35 to 40 miles per hour. So it's just a matter of a couple more hours until this makes its way here into southeastern Michigan. But the light pink that you see here on Exact Track 4D, that shows you the brand new severe thunderstorm watch that was just issued into our area. So this does drape the eastern part of the state. Looking at our storm threats for today, let's break this down for you. So this was upgraded to an enhanced risk 3 out of 5 scale here a little bit earlier this morning, where we've upped the wind chances to a high level of seeing damaging winds. We also have a high risk of seeing some damaging hail. Flooding is on the lower end just because we could have some isolated pockets of heavy rain, so low-lying areas could see some standing water out of it. But we've also upped the tornado risk as we go into the rest of the afternoon to more of a moderate risk factor. You can see this here. So from Port Huron down towards Toledo, far east side of southeastern Michigan, dealing with that now enhanced risk of maybe seeing some rotating storms. The higher straight line wind risk as well is off to the east side. Now we have this hail risk that's in this hatched area. We talk about the hatched area. What does it mean? Well, significant hatching means we have a 10% or greater probability of seeing 2-inch diameter hail within 25 miles of this area. Just to put this in perspective for you, the size of a golf ball is just under 2 inches at 1.75 inches. So when we're looking at the hail size comparison, anything over a quarter is considered severe limits. You get into this area of 2 inches, which is more like a hen's egg. That is rare, and that's what we could be contending with this afternoon. So taking you through the area, we do have a few clouds that'll mix in a little later this afternoon, but by 3, that's when we start to see some scattered storms popping off. This becomes a little more linear as we get towards 4. Watch how we start to see this line appearing from the western edge of Livingston County, stretching all the way up into the Thumb, and a couple still scattered pockets ahead of that into portions of Washtenaw, Wayne, even down into Monroe County. This will continue to push eastward, so it's brushing the far east side, Port Huron, Mount Clemens, Detroit by 5. And then as it continues to push eastward, we'll start to see some clearing. But the latest data coming in still shows some of the stronger storms off by Ann Arbor at 6. So if you're heading out to the Ann Arbor Art Fair this afternoon, have a plan in place of where you'll take shelter, maybe one of the local restaurants along Main Street, just so you have a plan for when those storms start to fire off. Our dew points, I don't really show this every day. It is a measure of the humidity out there as well. So it certainly is muggy at this hour. Anything over 60 feels a little muggy. But when we get dew points into the 70s, that's going to also fuel some of these storms that come in with that cold front. So you saw that down to our south. Temperatures right now either side of 80 across southeastern Michigan. And our afternoon high today, 84 degrees. Strong to severe storms will develop likely after about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Here's a look at your full forecast. I'm not going to rule out an isolated shower on Friday, but that's just because of the back edge of the low that's moving in today. Otherwise, partly sunny, a little cooler, 80. And then the weekend overall looking much better. Low 80s and a mix of some sun and clouds.